Coming at you live from the Mumford Restoration Shop in Raleigh, North Carolina, it's the Mumford Dating Game. Here's the star of the show and your host, Spencer Mayton.
We're back. Nobody's more surprised than me that we're doing this again. And this is the third episode of the Mumford Dating Game. And today we're going to talk toilets. And we have this beautiful audience right here. And we're looking for a volunteer, somebody that knows about furniture. You look awfully familiar. I think you know a lot about toilets. Can you tell us a little bit? And who are you? Remind the audience who you are again.
I am Bernard Mumford, and I have no idea why.
No
I'm
business
here.
being here. No business.
So,
But you look like you might know a lot about toilets. Can you tell us something about these?
I have used the toilet in the past. So
Oh, yeah,
I'm an
that's
expert.
great. We've seen. Yeah.
So this is a English version of a 19th century commode, which we call the crapper. And there's a reason that it's the crapper, is because literally Thomas Crapper was involved in the research and development for this. You can see that it's beautiful mahogany. And when you open this, you can see that this is more of the in-home version. 1850s, probably England, maybe London. And you can see that this is the flushing device. There was actually some plumbing underneath this to escape the riddance. And here is the galvanized part where you added some water. And the front door opens for the actual chamber pot. So we're calling this the crapper, and because Thomas Crapper was involved in the research and development. So look that up and see what it's like. This one is also mid-19th century, but we're talking about from a Georgia plantation. You can see that it's red oak. It has the lid here that is much more simplistic. It has the chamber pot inside that comes from the side. And so then this one is, how do you say, still the basic model from, say, the Georgia area or the southern area in Red Oak. So you see quite the difference. This one is England, this one is from Georgia, and pretty cool. So there is what we call the crapper or the Thunderbox.
What are the odds that we actually had somebody in the audience that was an expert in commodes from 1850s? I don't know, but we're for the people. Timmy Johnson, we got your letter from Roanoke Rapids. You wanted to hear more about toilets. You got it. We're for the people. Here's some more information coming your way. We'll be back after these messages.
Does your sofa need a new look? Maybe a repair or two? Well, at Mumford Restoration, we can help. We specialize in restoring your treasured pieces and family heirlooms. For over 40 years, we have been working miracles to restore family memories.
We'd like to thank our sponsor, Mumford Restoration, for letting us have the building. Bernard Mumford, thank you for telling us everything you want to know about toilets. If you have a topic that you'd like to know about, reach out to us, let us know. We can do another show based on your request. And until then, on behalf of Bernard Mumford and this beautiful studio audience, I'm Spencer Mayton signing off, and we'll do it again next time.
The Mumford Dating Game is a Mumford Restoration production.